Shabazz, break it down with the proper perspective. So much controversy and a lot of deception. You don't know who's coming through with the light and reflection, and whose mouth is mumbling, trick knowledge deceptive. Shabazz, break it down with the proper perspective.
So you want to go a certain place, you got to respect the country's rules. So, okay, yeah, I don't like the idea of paying that extra money for a visa, but I'm not going to sit over here and just not go. But if you do feel a way about the visa and you still want to jump on the flight, go to Senegal, ladies and gentlemen. Senegal, another one of the gems of West Africa. You'll be in luck because as long as you got your first leg of freedom papers, that blue book, the U.S. passport, you can enter Senegal visa-free for up to 90 days. You just land, smile, and slide right in. All you need is your passport, your drapetomaniac spirit, and maybe you need to know you need to learn a little bit of French, or maybe learn a little bit of Wolof. But you can get through your stay in Senegal with English. Might be a little bit more challenging. I've done it. Now I know if I could do it, you can do it. I don't speak a lick of French. And the couple of words that I learned in Wolof, I learned while I was there. And I had an amazing time. So you can go to Senegal and get a taste of Africa. But if you're not that interested in Africa, okay, but you still need to know this information. So don't let the paperwork punk you out. Just plan smart. Get in where you fit in. Go where you want to go. But if you are a drapetomaniac, you just don't want to sit around these contiguous 48, still stacking my coins. I'm still collecting knowledge. I'm still trying to curate a squad of folks who share info, tips, and that good old-fashioned tea. I'm telling you as someone who's doing the work and boarding the flights at the same time. That's the point I'm trying to get across. Make a plan, but work your plan while you are saving. I'm not just trying to look free online. I want to actually have real life freedom. But, that's me. And I'm not here to sell you nothing. Literally, I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I don't organize trips. You're not going to hear me at the end of the show saying, contact me if you're ready to go. I'm not hating on anybody to do that. I just don't do that. I know it's a whole lot of people out there that do that. Y'all better be careful because there's a whole lot of scams out there. But like I said, I'm gonna hit you with this West African proverb. Now, this one is a little long, but check it out. If you spend the night with the blacksmith, you will wake up with sparks on your clothes. If you spend the night with the blacksmith, you will wake up with sparks on your clothes. What do this mean, drapetomaniac? Who and what you surround yourself with will shape your journey. That's what it means. Who and what you surround yourself with, that blacksmith, will shape your journey financially and spiritually. So again, what we talking about? We're talking about travel. We're talking about going to Ghana or going anywhere for real. I'm going to stay focused on Ghana and Senegal.
Shabazz, break it down with the proper perspective. So much controversy and a lot of deception. You don't know who's coming through with the light and reflection, and whose mouth is mumbling, trick knowledge deceptive. Shabazz, break it down with the proper perspective. So